Hello guys, welcome to Webpage Home. In this video we're going to talk about Jssor Slider, and we're going to integrate Jssor Slider in our website, in our web page. You can find a lot of sliders online, but Jssor Slider is a bit complicated, huge file, right? So I opted to make a video of this one. Alright, you can find the Jssor Slider full pack to download in www.jssor.com, or you can also find it in my website www.webtricshome.com. Alright, so let's see. This will be the place where we'll be using that slider, replacing the image with the slider. So let's go with the Jssor Slider. You can find this file, you can download this file, and you have got a lot of examples here. Let's go with the top one, and I'll be selecting one of those slider and integrate it in my web page. So let's go with the content slider source. That's a full width slider. Yep. Here you can see it. This will be the slider we'll be placing in place of this image. So let's open this file first. So you can see this is a nice slider with thumbnail navigators and arrow navigators, right? So let's open this file in text editor. I'll be using Sublime. And if you've got Dreamweaver, you can just open this file and save it in your project folder, and the Dreamweaver automatically updates the links. But in other text editor, you need to update the links yourself. Alright, so what you need to do here is copy everything from the body tag, inside the body tag, right? So that's all you need to copy. Alright, so okay, let's copy it this way so that you can see it, and paste it in your project file in the place where you want, and this will be image that will be replaced by the Jssor Slider. So let's paste it, and you can see it's already done. And you refresh your file, and you can see the slider is integrated. The only thing remaining is to relocate the links for these images, and even the JS file is not working here. So let's go on and relocate these files. The first one will be the JS file we'll be relocating. Let's close this one, we don't need it now. So we go on the top and relocate those JS files in our JS folder. You haven't got that file here, so it's not working right. So we'll relocate that link, and instead of placing outside, we'll put it in the JS folder so that it remains organized. And before relocating it, you can see this comment here written: use Jssor Slider.mini.js instead for release. And Jssor Slider.mini.js means Jssor.js plus Jssor.slider.js. So we don't need two files, we can add a single file. Yep, Jssor Slider.mini.js. Alright, and we can remove the comments if we want, and then copy the JS file, right, from here. Go to the JS folder and copy the saved file. That's the Jssor Slider.main.js at the bottom, and you can also copy jQuery 1.9.1.main.js and paste it in your file, right? Let's copy this way. Okay, paste it in your project folder, right? So then we need to relocate the link. We'll remove that first path and it works wonder. And we don't need this file actually, because we've got a jQuery file on top, right? So let's refresh it, and you see the slide is working now, and it will even slide. Yep, there you go. And we're not adding that Jssor jQuery.1.9.1.main.js because we have already got jQuery.main.js here on top from Bootstrap, right? And so the next thing remaining is we need to relocate the images. So we'll go to this image folder, save image folder, copy all the files and copy it in our project folder, project images, and then remove all of those links, relocate all of those links, right? So you can see here everything's working except for the arrows and the loading.gif. So we'll copy loading.gif first and paste it here, and go with the arrow navigator, and you see that in the CSS section, we'll duplicate that and copy that image to our project file and refresh it. Alright, so now you can see those nice little arrows, navigators there, and you can see the thumb navigator as well. So we can close this one now, it's working fine. So the first thing we'll want is keep our slider full width, right? And if you want a nice HTML file, then you can remove all the CSS from HTML file and place it in your style.css, your project CSS, right? And that won't affect your slider's view. You can remove all the links for that Jssor website, right? And we'll remove the JS file too from here. Set the script tag and create a new file. Yep. And instead of keeping the JS file there, we'll put it outside and give a link here, and that will work wonder for us. Alright, so you can see the file is working. And then let's go with the full width. Then we have used container here, so the width is not getting to the full extent, so we'll just change it to container fluid, and you can see the image full width except for the paddings, so use row to remove the paddings, and you can see the slider is appearing on the full width, taking the full width of the page, right? So what you can do is, let's have a look here. It looks much better now, right? If you want to change the images, you can change the images from here, and if you want to change the text for the slider, you can change it from these places here. Here I'm going to show you how we can modify the JS appearance, slider appearance, and you can see a lot of JS options here, and you can see on the right side on the comments, right, what you can do with these options, what are the default options, what values you can change here for autoplay interval, pause and hover, arrow key navigation, slide spacing, everything here, play orientation, arrow key navigators, thumbnail navigators, and all. But the most important thing is, if you want to change the width of the slider, you go to the responsive code here and change the body width here, not in the HTML file. Alright, so that way you can change your file. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel for more videos.